given a table, then you just have to do the different steps to it to find the different features. So we're starting with tables. This is where the algebra happens. All right, so let me move that up so y'all can see it. On a test, a question, whatever, you'll be given the table, okay? So this is what you're given. Then from here, you have to find your slope, x-intercept, y-intercept, and so forth. My y-intercept is where x is equal to 0. Is there a 0 anywhere here? Okay, so we can't find that right away. My x-intercept is where y equals 0. Is there a 0 anywhere here? So I can't name that right away. So I'm going to go on to something else that I can do right away. And that's my slope, because to find slope, all I need is 2 points on a line. All right, so we're going to start with slope. We need 2 points. What 2 points do y'all want to use to find slope? Which one? 15.3. Okay, so that's 1 point. What's another point that you want to use? Okay, why did we choose those points? Because they're not negative. Good enough reason to go with those points. You can do any 2 points. But yeah, I would probably go with the non-negative ones to make it easy. So if my 2 points are 9, 1 and 15.3, you're then going to do what you're comfortable doing to find slope. If that's graphing the points and doing rise over run, do that. If that's doing your formula, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, do that. Or if that's doing the stack, subtract, slide, and simplify, go ahead and do that. I'm going to stick with the one that we learned last time, the stack, subtract, slide, and simplify. So my first step is to do what? Stack them. It doesn't matter which one's on top or which one's on the bottom. You do you. Once I stack them, what do I do next? Subtract them. So I'm going to make my t. And make sure you put a minus so you don't forget you're subtracting them. 9 minus 15. Close. Negative 6. 1 minus 3. Negative 2. So we stacked them. We subtracted them. What's next? We can't reduce yet before we do that. Slide and then simplify. So I slide the negative 6 under the negative 2. Now here you have a fraction, so we got to simplify that fraction. Can I simplify? By what? 2 divided by 2? What was that? Sorry. 6 divided by 2. Do I have negatives? How many? So what does that mean? They're a positive. So my slope is positive 1/3.